All right, everybody, here is your core bites number 150. The first one says complete the chart using the rule. So we have y equals 7x minus 5. So you're just going to fill in the numbers based on the variable x or y. So y is going to be your answer, which is the bottom row. And then the top one, you just put it in. So 7 times 1 is 7 minus 5 is 2. 7 times 2 is 14 minus 5 would give you 9. Then we know that's going to be right. So then 7 times 4 is 28. Minus 5 is 23. 7 times 6 is 42. Minus 5 is 37. And then 7 times 7 is 49 minus 5, which is 44. So all you do is just put the numbers in, and then that's how you get your answer. For number 2, you're dividing. 907 divided by 9. So they've already got it set up for you. So 9 times 1 will give you 9. Bring down your 0 because 9 minus 9 is 0. Then bring down your next number. 9 cannot go into 0, so just say 0. 9 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Bring down your 7. Okay? 9 cannot go into 7, so it would be 9 times 0. 9 times 0 is 0. You're going to have 7 left over because 7 minus 0 is 7. So that's going to be your remainder. So the way you can check it is if you multiply 9 times 100 gives you 900 plus your remainder of 7 gives you 907, which is what you started with. So that's how you know that your answer is correct. For the third one, which sentence is true, you've got some fractions. And so remember, when you're adding fractions, the denominator does not change. If you start with a 4 on your denominator, that's what you end with. So the first two are automatically wrong. So then look at this one. So we have 4 as your denominator. Then you just add your numerator. So 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11. So you could leave it like that, but that would be an improper fraction. So we want to turn it into a mixed number. So then you would just divide 11 by 4, or you could, we've shown you how to regroup it using this. So if you just, 4, 4, so that gives you 1. And then you would have, so let's see, 7, 8, 9, 10, so you'd have 7 left. So then you would pull some out of that to give you 1. And then that would give you 3/4 left. So that's how you actually would get 2, 1, 2, and 3/4. Okay? For the number 4, it's asking you to find the area. So the formula for area is length times width squared, basically. Okay? So you've got 4 feet times 3 2/10. Remember our decimals. Okay? So you would basically do 3 2/10, multiply that by 4. Let's switch colors so we can see it a little bit better. So 4 times 2 would give you 8. 4 times 3 is 12. Then just count your decimal over one time. So you would have 12 8/10, but you'd also have feet squared because feet is your unit, but because you're doing the area, which takes up the whole thing there, the whole middle part of it, you have to square it because of how many feet you'd actually have to use if you're trying to fill that space. Okay? And then for number 5, it says, is the dotted line a line of symmetry? Okay? So they're saying if we fold this star based on where it is it going to be equal on all the sides? And for this particular shape, the answer is yes. Okay? So guys, I know we have a Core Bites quiz coming up. Please make sure you've checked all of yours, and please make sure you also let us know if you have any questions.